Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today you're going to see something that will leave you speechless. This is not just a motorhome. It's a luxury mansion on wheels, worth over $500,000. The incredible 2026 Renegade XL Super C. From the outside, it looks bold and powerful, but what's waiting inside is on another level. As soon as you enter, you're greeted by a stunning living space that feels like a high-end hotel. There's a full-length leather sofa with power recliners, a glowing electric fireplace, and a massive 4K smart TV built into custom hardwood cabinetry. The LED ambient lighting sets a relaxing mood, and every surface from the ceiling to the tile flooring is built with premium finish. It doesn't feel like a vehicle. It feels like home. Step further in and the kitchen will take your breath away. It's designed like a residential chef's kitchen with solid surface countertops, a deep stainless steel sink, a convection microwave, and a modern induction cooktop. You also get a full-size refrigerator with a freezer drawer and a dishwasher tucked into the cabinetry. Every drawer is soft close, and storage is more than enough for long road trips or full-time living. Now let's move into the bedroom. Here you'll find a spacious king-size memory foam bed with built-in reading lights and nightstands on both sides. A large wardrobe gives you more storage than most apartments, and there's even a walk-in closet at the rear. A smart TV is mounted across from the bed, so you can relax and watch your favorite shows in total comfort after a long day on the road. The bathroom feels like it belongs in a luxury suite. You get a glass-enclosed shower with a built-in seat and rainfall shower head, a wide vanity with LED mirror, and high-end fixtures everywhere. There's also a washer and dryer combo tucked neatly inside a storage area, so you don't need to rely on any public laundromats. This powerful rig is built on a Freightliner chassis and runs on a Cummins diesel engine. That means strength, stability, and performance for any road condition. Plus, it's packed with off-grid features like solar panels, a diesel generator, and oversized fresh and waste water tanks. Perfect for going off the beaten path without losing comfort. If you're dreaming of full-time luxury travel, the 2026 Renegade XL Super C is more than just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle. Like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more amazing RV tours right here on Auto Plus.